Someone recently asked me what is the number one thing to master as a Singaporean cook. And as much as I love chicken rice, I think the number one thing you'd find in most Singaporean homes is curry chicken. The most important part of the whole dish is the rempah or the spice paste. The ingredients in a rempah are pretty basic: onion, garlic, turmeric, belacan. Some dried chilies that you soak in hot water until it's soft. Some whole and ground spices. Some pandan, curry leaves, kaffir lime leaves, and lemongrass. Start by crumbling the belacan into a dry pan. Add the ground spices and toast until it's fragrant. Dip the belacan and the spices into a blender and add the onion, garlic, and turmeric. Squeeze the water from the chilies and add to the blender. Blend until you get a fine paste. Add oil to a cold wok and add the lemongrass and whole spices. Fry until it starts to sizzle and then add the spice paste. Fry the paste until it looks brick red and then add coconut cream. You want to fry this until the mixture splits and oil starts oozing out of the paste. So basically the fat is coming out from the coconut cream and the paste is essentially frying itself. Add the chicken and the potatoes and toss to coat. Add the herbs and then add enough water to cover everything. Add some curry powder and just season everything with salt and sugar. When the curry is ready, you should be able to pierce through the chicken with a spoon. Same goes for the potatoes.